Hello friends, I'm Monica. Welcome to Fun Gardening. Today's topic is champa plant or plumeria care. Plumeria is a plant of hot areas. You can say it is a plant of desert areas. Its stems are fleshy and leaves are also thick and leathery. It's a summer flowering plant. Winter is a dormant period for the plant, and during winter, plant sheds all its leaves, and you can see only the bare stems. In summers, new leaves arise and your plant blooms. As I said, it is a plant of hot areas. Plumeria likes 4 to 5 or 6 hours of sunlight, and water your plant moderately. Don't overwater your plant and don't underwater your plant. Keep the soil moist but towards the drier side. Plumeria likes very well drained soil. To make ideal soil for plumeria, mix 1 part of ground soil, 1 part of garden soil, 1 part of garden soil, 1.5 part of river sand, and 1 part of organic manure, cow dung manure or vermicompost, and add half a teaspoon of fungicide for 12-inch pot. And this is the ideal soil mixture for plumeria plant. Drainage system of the pot should be very well drained. If your plant is very big, grow in 16-inch pot, and if the plant is 2 to 3 feet height, grow in 12-inch pot. My plants are I have 2 big plants and 3 small plants. The big plants are 3 to 4 feet tall, and I have grown these big plants in 16-inch pot, and even one plant is in 20-inch pot. So grow your plants if the plant is big in 16-inch pot, and make a very well drained soil mixture. Water, as I said, your plant when the upper 1 or 2 inch soil is dry. Don't overwater your plant. If you overwater your plant will not bloom or bloom very sparsely. So when winters end and summers start in February, give good amount of fertilizer to your plant. For 12-inch pot, give 2 to 3 handful of cow dung manure or vermicompost, and 2 handfuls of bone meal powder, because phosphorus is very essential for this plant to bloom. If you don't give phosphorus, your plant will not bloom. Many times people complain that they have given good amount of fertilizer to their plant, but still the plant is not blooming. The main reason is that they have not given phosphorus to your plant. Phosphorus and potash are very essential for any flowering plant to bloom, especially in this plumeria plant. Phosphorus, you have to give phosphorus in good amount. And if you are not you don't want to give bone meal, you can add 1 teaspoon of DAP and 1 teaspoon of potash in 12-inch pot along the rim of your container, because when you grow any plant in container, its roots grow along the periphery of the container. So always when you give any fungicide, any pesticide or any fertilizer in small amount, spread along the rim of your pot. So give DAP and potash along the rim of the pot. And every 10 days during the flowering season, that is during summers, every 10 days give DAP and potash to your plant. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of DAP and 1 teaspoon of potash in 1 liter of water. That is the measurement. If you have more than one plants, you can increase you can make more solution using this measurement, and water your plant every 10 days with this solution. Add half teaspoon per liter fungicide powder to this solution. That will make your plant bloom profusely, and you will not have any complaint about the blooming of plant. If you overwater your plant may be affected by fungus. Leaves will show, there will be brown marks on leaves. So don't overwater your plant. Overwatering is very hazardous to this champa plant. Keep your plant towards the drier side. And this plant, plumeria, is very good to grow outside the house, outside the boundary of your house, as animals don't eat this plant. According to my experience, I have grown 2 or 3 plumeria outside my boundary of my house, and no animals don't eat this plant. According to my experience, it's a very good plant to grow outside your house, and as it grows, it takes the shape of it becomes a small tree, and when during summers it blooms profusely, and white flowers among green leaves. They look very beautiful, especially during the night time, and their plants have very sweet fragrance. So plumeria is a very beautiful plant for summers. It is very easily propagated by cuttings. When you prune your plant in February, in the beginning of February, you can grow cuttings. These cuttings can be grown in summers. You can use those pruned part as cuttings and grow new plants, but don't over prune your plant. Sometimes when you over prune your plant don't flower. So don't over prune your plant. Give your plant a shape, give a small pruning, or required as your plant is requiring. Don't over prune your plant. That will stop flowering. Or that is all about care of this plumeria or champa plant. These plants come in different shapes and different color of flowers. Dwarf plants look very different. Varieties of champa are available in market, in nurseries. Small dwarf varieties. Some varieties have round leaves, some have pointed leaves, and yellow flowers with some white variegation, white flowers with yellow variegation, different type of variegations, red flowers, pink flowers. They come in different colors. You can choose according to your choice. So friends, this was all about champa or plumeria plant care. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Okay friends, bye.